Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back with another video. So what I did in hill climb racing too, well, I got forest. I got 13,736 with the super diesel in the forest in the adventure. And I also got keys from the the countryside and mountain. So we're gonna talk about diesel. The diesel is one of the fastest trucks. It can also do a very good tactic. It can also do a good tactic. Good tactic. So we're gonna talk about this. Your three questions. First question: what is the fastest truck in hill climb racing 2? A. Super diesel. B. Racing truck. C. Moonlander. Monster truck. C. Monster truck. So, if you pick A, you are correct. 2. What is the fastest bike in hill climb racing 2? A. Hover bike. B. Chopper. C. Superbike. If you pick C, you are correct. Because the Superbike is the fastest bike in hill climb racing 2. 3. What is the fastest car in hill climb racing 2? A. Sports car. B. Supercar. C. All I can say is muscle car. Which is the fastest car? If you pick B, you are correct. So, I have one more question. 4. How many meters did I reach in forest with the super diesel? There are A, B, C, D. A. 25,000. B. 13,777. C. 13,736. D. 100,000. Okay, I got one more question. I'm sorry. So, 5. How many coins did I get on hill climb racing 2? A. 200,000. B. 184,000. C. 500,000. D. 1 million. As y'all know, so without further ado, I gotta tell you something. So, What was it again? God, I don't remember. I don't remember. So, I don't know. So let me tell you about the paint of Diesel and Bike. Diesel. We'll start with Diesel. So, as y'all know, you can do the Diesel, and you got the purple Diesel, the Diesel with the lines that look like wind. So we got Starfish Super Diesel, Red Super Diesel, Brown Super Diesel. It's dumb ice cream. Your fucking dumb ice cream. Okay, so we got Nimbus Diesel. That's all I can say. I don't know what paint. We'll start with the Superbike. So, what I want to say about the Superbike, but there's paints like the Street Bike Superbike, and how do you say? We'll skip that paint. And the police Superbike. Yeah, the police. The Nikita Superbike. The Nikita Superbike. What do we? Let's go to Varesh Track's channel. Yeah. I will tell you the 3 best YouTubers at adventure. PR Linus, Varesh Track, and Zorro. Let's go to Varesh Track. Let's search Varesh Track. Car paint. Okay, we got that. We're not gonna go to the striped Superbikes because I don't like that paint. I love the special ones. That's the red striped Superbike, the red stripe. And they even have the Sci-Fi ccev, the Yeti, and the Falcon Superbike. What is the Falcon Superbike? There's no such thing as Falcon Superbike. Yeti Superbike. Wait. Did I just skip? Superbike paints. And he maxed out all his vehicles. So we got VIP Superbike. The Kia, like I told you. Police Superbike. So I don't know what that is. The Falcon Superbike. The Street Bike Superbike. Red Stripe Superbike, like I told y'all. And last but not least, the Violet Superbike. But let's check the Supercar. Green Supercar, blue Supercar, pink Super, red, purple, orange, red, black, and white. Red, blue backup Supercar. Royale Supercar. Royale. Orange Supercar. Royal Supercar 2. VIP Supercar. solitaire supercar, whatever you want to call it, because I don't know what they say about these supercar paints. The purple supercar with green and some colors. I don't know. That's what I had, the Chinese version of Hill Climb Racing 2. The Cobra Superbike. Superbike? No, the Cora, the Cobra Supercar. The Kita Supercar. It absolutely don't know what that is. Black and white and black. And Christmas Supercar. Okay, we got some squeaky wheels. We got some stair wheels. We got some ice wheels. We got wooden or peanut butter wheels, or whatever you want to call it. Royal Supercar wheels. Royal 2 Supercar wheels. Cobra Supercar wheels. Nikita Supercar wheels. VIP Supercar wheels. Golden peanut butter supercar wheels, or a Royale 3. Moonlander. Green Moonlander. Green, pink, purple, blue, green, and black. That's what I had in my old account. The one that I just had back in 2019. VIP, starfish, the octopus and seaweed, Moonlander. Oh, I had that in my old account. I don't know what that is. Wheels, ice wheels, the starfish VIP wheels. For Rash Chat got up. And I didn't know the ccev was out. Okay. We got sci-fi CC. Let's go to the ccev and see what paint they got on the cc-ev. Yeah, cc-ev. Let's go to the stuff right quick. I recorded for too long. Guys, I gotta stop.